If you're a DoorDash driver and want to move your earnings from Dasher Direct to your Cash App account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to link the two accounts and transfer money with ease. First, open your Dasher Direct app. Go to your account section and look for your banking details. You'll need both your account number and routing number. These two pieces of information are key because they let Cash App recognize your Dasher Direct account as a bank account. Next, open the Cash App and head to the Banking tab by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner. From here, choose to link a bank account. If Dasher Direct shows up on the list of available banks, simply select it. Otherwise, tap on Manual Setup and enter your Dasher Direct account and routing numbers. Double-check your details before confirming. Entering them correctly is crucial to avoid failed transfers. Once your Dasher Direct account is successfully linked, you can add funds to Cash App whenever you need. Just tap Add Cash, choose the amount you want to transfer, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. In some cases, Cash App might ask you to add a debit card for faster verification, so go ahead and follow that step if it pops up. And that's it. Your Dasher Direct earnings will now move into your Cash App balance, ready to spend, send, or invest. This setup only needs to be done once, so future transfers will be even faster. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials and money-saving tips for Dashers. And if you have questions or got stuck on any step, drop a comment below. I read every one of them.